been a whirlwind since we started this project in October, and tonight we're here at the ICA in the Nash Rooms overlooking the Mall, and we're here for the judging.
Should we have to look at this one?
Yes, please do. The whole point about this is the students were given a brief to look at palladium as a metal that's been used really very little in the jewellery industry.
I think the shiny in that's in just...
Yeah,
I mean,
It's kind of a black dress piece, isn't it?
We all tend to think precious materials are the same, but they're not. They're very individual.
The best qualities of palladium are definitely its weight and its lightness, which is amazing. I think it's a really exciting prospect that there's a new metal that we can all use.
The potential for it for fine jewellery is extraordinary. I think in years to come we're going to be seeing some very large and extravagant pieces that people will actually be able to wear for in the evening rather than being dragged down by them. The standard of the jewellery in this final lap of the judging has been incredible.
the quality was great, the thoroughness of how they followed the brief looked really great. The quality of work, as ever, from Central St Martin's is always some of the best in the world, and it's definitely here tonight. It's great to see that such great students are doing such great, exciting work. I did make my final decision very quickly, actually. It was very much of an intuitive thing with me. It was something that was very kind of quality, instant, looked very, very strong, and a very kind of, I like statement jewellery, and something that many people could wear, and you don't need a manual to understand it, and I think the one that I chose does that.
I think we were all quite unanimous actually on the winner. It worked incredibly well as a piece. I can see it being shot in loads of magazines. It's got a commerciality to it, but not as a sort of dirty word. I can just see it being really popular.
The winner tonight of this year's Palladium Alliance Central St Martin's competition, who not only wins the title, but also wins a work placement with the wonderful Vivienne Westwood. The secret surprise of the evening is, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Leigh Cameron.
Very exciting, with the thought of going to Vivienne Westwood, and really honoured and just amazed really to get to this stage.
Thanks to everybody, for giving me encouragement, and the team at Central St Martin's that made all of this possible. Thank you.
Definitely Leigh's designs stand out from the rest of the pack.
In terms of what the experience has been for students, I think for some of them it's been fascinating. And I think it's been interesting for them to see their own style, their own sensibility, and their own interest in the world translated into a jewellery object.
It's just been amazing. I mean, it's just filled me with confidence, because I think for years, you know, I've kind of had these ideas, these mad ideas in my head, and to actually make something or create something that people recognise as being an interesting and something that their life is really rewarding.